Good afternoon and welcome to the video. Today we're going to be making this copper heart jewellery tray, and I'll be using a selection of materials which I've got here laid out on the bench. So we've got a couple of different types of wood. We've got some walnut, we've got some ash, and we've got some beech. This is the copper I'll be using. It is all just offcuts, so it's nothing special. It's about 1 mil thick. This is the form. It's made out of plywood basically, and you'll see that go together shortly. These are all the tools I'll be using, so just a pencil, a scribe. I'll be using these bossy mallets. You could use a ball peen hammer, but I just find it easier using these because I've got them. This is a rasp for doing the woodwork, tin snips for cutting out the copper, a drill for drilling a hole in the wood to get the jigsaw to go through, screwdriver for putting the form together, and then we'll just be using a jigsaw. I've got quite a fine blade on there for doing the cutting because it's quite tight angles to work round. So, and we'll also be using a bandsaw which is over here. So this will be doing the outside because I just find it a lot easier to do it that way. And then we have a sandbag here that I will actually be putting the form on and forming it with the hammer. So let's get into it. Now we've got the piece of wood in the vise, we're going to use a drill to put a hole in so we can use a jigsaw. So here we go. Right, now we've cut the centre out, we're going to move over to the bandsaw and cut the outside out. So here we have the copper sheet, which I'm now going to use the form wherever I want to mark out. So just sticking the form on there, using the scribe, just marking that off. Now use the snips. Try not to cut your finger off. Like that. I'll cut this one off while I'm at it. Right, now I put that in there. Let's put the copper onto the form. Put the top on. Make sure everything is in line. Don't screw it to the bench. Right, now you've got your copper in the form, we'll get the sandbag. You don't need this, you can rest it on a table, but this just holds it steady, and then get your mallet and just hit it. Just turn it over and have a look, see how it's forming out. See whether you can go a bit deeper, just try and iron the wrinkles out. And you don't want to go too deep because you will actually stretch and split the material and then basically won't be any good. So I think I'm kind of happy with that. So we'll take that out of the form now. Right, now I've got that sitting flat, I'm going to scribe round. And now I'm just going to cut out, leaving a slight offset. Which you'll then hammer over the wooden form. Right, now your copper fits into your piece of wood nicely with a slight offset all around. We'll now hammer that edge over. So I've polished all the copper up and I've sanded all the timber up. Now I'm going to put some finish on and then I'll let it dry, wrap it up, and then we'll come back in a sec when all the finish is on. Right. Here's the finished article, all polished and ready to go. These three I will be selling on eBay this week. This one is for my daughter, so I would be shot if I sold this. So that's already got a home. So if you would like one of these, I'll put a link on the video description of the links to the eBay. So we've got one's made of ash, one's made of walnut, and this was made of beech. So they're three different woods. So if you like them, go and check the eBay out. Right, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot. See you soon. Well, at least the outtakes would be good. So is that better?
That is, yes, that's better. I've got you, as long as you don't move much more from that. So I've got your head, I've got your knees.
Shoulders, knees and toes.
Shoulders, knees and toes. Get out my head.
Oh, this is so hard.